Welcome to my dear students. In this session, my selected chapter is pair of linear equations in two variables and subtopic is equations reducible to pair of linear equations. Let us see. So, chapter name pair of linear equations in two variables and subtopic is equations reducible to pair of linear equations. That means, so the given problem is solve 2 by x plus 3 by y equal 13, 5 by x minus 4 by y equal minus 2, where x is not is equal to 0 and y is not is equal to 0. So, this pair of equations, you have to convert to linear form. Pair of equations which are not in linear form but can be reduced to pair of linear equations by making suitable substitutions. That means first we have to know about what is linear form. That means what is linear equation, what is linear equation two variables, and what is the general form of the pair of linear equations. Just recall the concepts. So linear equations in one variable. What is the general form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0, where a comma b belongs to R, a not is equal to 0. Linear equation one variable. An algebraic expression having the sign is equal to sign, that is called as equation. Linear means the variable power having 1. Here the variable power is 1. So this is linear equation in one variable. Second point, linear equation two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a comma b comma c belongs to R, mod a plus mod b not is equal to 0, or a not is equal to 0, b not is equal to 0. This equation having two variables x and y, that means two variables. So this equation having the sign is equal to sign is this expression having the sign is equal to. So this is called as equation. But these two variables having the power 1. That means linear. So this is a linear equation in two variables. Now see the condition. What is the condition? Mod a plus mod b not is equal to 0. In this case, a comma b simultaneously not is equal to 0. Or don't take a comma b value 0 at a time. So this is the linear equation two variables. Third one. Pair of linear equation two variables. General form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Let's see the conditions. For this one, a1 square plus b1 square is not is equal to 0. It means sum of the squares of the x and y coefficients not is equal to 0. Similarly, in second equation also, a2 square plus b2 square is not is equal to 0. It means sum of the squares of the x and y coefficients are not is equal to 0. So, the three concepts involved in the given question. So, solve 2 by x plus 3 by y equals 13, 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. The given two equations are not in linear form because of in the equation the variables are in denominator. These two equations reduce to pair of linear equations. That means a1x plus b1y is b1 plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this one belongs to one of the academic standard problem solving. Now we will solve this problem. Let us see. First of all, let us take the given two equations. Where x is not is equal to 0, y is not is equal to 0. Let us see. Two by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. Second equation, 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. 2 by x can be written as 2 into 1 by x plus 3 by y. It can be written as 3 into 1 by y. That is equal to 13. Similarly, second equation also. 5 by x is there. So 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y is equal to minus 2. Let's observe the two equations. In these two terms, 1 by x and 1 by x is there. Here 1 by y and 1 by y is there. So let it be, take another variable. 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b. These two equations change into a comma b variables. Then these two equations can be changed as 2 into a plus 3 into b, 5 into a minus 4 into b. 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. 5a minus 4b is equal to minus 2. So let it be equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here we got two equations. Solve these two equations. You will get a comma b value. Later a comma b again converted into x comma y. Then x comma y is the required answer. To solve these two equations, here we have to apply algebraic methods. There three methods are there. First one, substitution method. Second one, elimination method. Third one, cross multiplication method. You can apply any one of the method. But I am applying here elimination method. Elimination method. Elimination method means in these two equations, two variables are there. You have to eliminate any one of the variable, either a or b. But I am eliminating b variable. I am eliminating b variable. Two a plus 3b is equal to 13. 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. 5a minus 4b. 5a minus 4b is equal to minus 2. In elimination method, I want to eliminate b variable. In elimination method, that means here equate the b coefficient. Equate the b coefficient. But here b coefficients are not equal. First of all, equate the coefficient. That means take the LCM of 3 and 4. Take the LCM of 3 comma 4 is 3 4 ja 12. It means 3 change into 12 and 4 change into 12. It means 3 should be multiplied with 4. 4 should be multiplied with 3. It means equation 1 multiplied with 4. Equation multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3. Equation 1 into 4. Equation 2 into 3. So this equation can be changed as 4 into 2, 8a plus 4 into 3, 12b is equal to 4 into 13, 4 3 is 12, 4 1 is 4 plus 1, 5, 52. Next one, equation 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 3 5 is 15a minus 3 4 is 12b, that is equal to 3 into 2 minus 6. Here you got another new two equations. Let it be 3 and 4. Once observe the b variables. These two terms having opposite sign. If you are adding 3 and 4, these two are cancelled. Then 3 plus 4. I am adding these two equations. Then no. Plus 12b minus 12b both are cancelled. So remaining a is there. 8 plus 15, 23. That is equal to 52 minus 6. That means 46. Therefore, A is equal to 46 by 23. In 46, 23 table 2 times. Therefore, A is equal to 2. We got A value. So, this A value substituted any one of the above 4 equations. Then you will get B value. Here I am taking a simple equation, that is 1. 2A plus 3B is equal to 13. Substitute A is equal to 2 in the above equation. 2 into 2 plus 3B is equal to 13. 4 plus 3B is equal to 13. 3B is equal to 13. This 4 transpose to right side. Then minus 4. 30 minus 4, 9. 3B is equal to 9. B is equal to 9 by 3. In a 9, 3 table 2 times. 3 times. Therefore, B value is equal to 3. We got B value 3. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 3. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 3. But the given equation in variable x comma y. Again, these two converted into x comma y. Already we know that A is equal to 1 by x. We know that A is equal to, here A is equal to 1 by x. So A is equal to 1 by x is equal to 2. We know that B is equal to 1 by y, that is equal to 3. 2 nothing but 1. 3 nothing but 2 nothing but 2 by 1. 3 nothing but 3 by 1. 1 by x is equal to 2 by 1. Let us take the reciprocal of 1 by x. That is x. Reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by y is y. And reciprocal of 3 by 1 is 1 by 2. Therefore, these two x comma y are the required solution for the given pair of linear equations. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 2. This is the required answer. I will explain one more question. That means vertical question. Same model. A boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and speed of the boat in still water. Once observe this question. Here two terms are there, unknown terms, upstream and downstream. First of all, know about upstream and downstream. Let again I will explain the question. First one, what is downstream? Let us see. Let us see the picture. Here boat and stream is there. Stream means, generally stream is always flows from up to down. Let us see the picture. Observe this picture. Boat and stream is there. Stream always flows from up to down. Up to down. The direction of the boat like this, and the direction of the stream is also like this. Boat and stream having the same direction. That is called, that means boat and stream both are in same direction. Now this is the definition of downstream. What is the downstream? In water, the boat, the direction of the boat along the stream, the direction of the boat along the stream is called as downstream. In water, the direction along the stream is called as downstream. Let the speed of the boat x kilometers per hour. Let us take the speed of the stream y kilometers per hour. Then speed of the downstream is x plus y kilometers per hour. How it will come? X plus y. In this case, the stream increase the speed of the boat. In this case, the stream increase the speed of the boat. That means we are taking plus. Along the stream is plus. So, speed of the downstream is x plus y kilometers per hour. Now we will see upstream. What is upstream? Observe the picture. Stream and boat. Stream flows from up to down. Direction of the stream is like this. But boat travels upwards. That means direction of the boat is like this. So these two directions are in opposite way. Then what is the definition of upstream? In water, the direction of the boat against the stream is called as upstream. In this case, the direction of the boat is against the stream. That is called as upstream. Let us take speed of the boat x kilometers per hour and speed of the stream y kilometers per hour. Then speed of the upstream is equal to x minus y kilometers per hour. Here minus is important. Here minus means speed of the stream. That stream reduce the speed of the boat. Speed of the stream reduce the speed of the boat. That's why we are taking minus x minus y kilometers per hour. That means here boat direction against the stream. That means you are taking minus. In that case you are taking plus, but here you are taking minus. Along the stream is plus, against the stream is minus. These two terms are very very important in this case. And one more concept. Let us see one more concept. Relation between dts. D nothing but distance. Time means t. Speed means s. So the relation between these three terms are d is equal to t into s. Write t as a subject. Time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. So these three concepts, those are downstream, upstream and relation between dts. So these three concepts are involved in the given question. Now we will see the question. A boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. In second case, in 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. Determine the speed of the boat and speed of the stream. Speed of the stream and speed of the boat in still water. Let it be two variables x and y. Here two cases are there. In 10 hours, that is one case. In 13 hours, that is second case. Now we will see. Here two cases are there. Case 1. Next, case 2. In case 1, a boat goes 30 kilometers upstream. This is upstream. This one downstream. Boat. Stream this one. upstream and downstream. A stream direction is that one flows from up to down. A both direction is like this. In this case, stream up to down, both direction also same. Speed of the boat x kilometers per hour. S is equal to x kilometers per hour. Stream speed y kilometers per hour. Here also same. S is equal to x. S is equal to y. How do we know that? According to the definition of upstream, speed of the upstream S is equal to, this is upstream, opposite direction, so minus will come, x minus y. Here, speed of the downstream S is equal to, same direction is plus x plus y, kilometers per hour. In first case, a boat was 30 kilometers upstream. So, the distance is d value 30 kilometers. 44 kilometers downstream. From here to a distance d is equal to 44 kilometers. 44 kilometers. So, d and s. What about time? T value. T1 is equal to question mark. What is T1? Time taken to travel the boat. Time taken to travel the boat 30 km distance with speed x minus y. That one represents T1. T2 is equal to question mark. What is T2? Time taken to travel the boat 44 km distance with speed x plus y. T1 is equal to, time is equal to distance by speed. How do we know that? Time is equal to distance by speed. Here also T2 is equal to d by s. D nothing but 30 by s means x minus y. So this is T1. Here T2 is equal to distance, that means 44 by speed means x plus y. So T2 is equal to 44 by x plus y. T1 is equal to 30 by x minus y. But according to the problem, so total time is 10 hours. It means T1 plus T2, upstream time plus downstream. That means total T1 plus T2 is equal to 10 hours. That is 10 hours. It means this value plus this value is equal to 10 hours. 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y, that is equal to 10 hours. This is equation, let it be 1. Like that you will get another equation. That is, in second case, in 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. First, draw the pictures. This is upstream. This is downstream. Stream. Stream direction is up to down, so like this. Here up to down, stream direction. Both direction, so like this. So both direction is like this. Both are traveling same direction, here opposite direction. Speed of the boat, let x. Speed of the stream, y. Here also s is equal to x, s is equal to y. So this is upstream. How do we know that? Speed of the upstream is Speed of the upstream, both are in opposite direction. So S is equal to minus will come x minus y. In this case, speed of the downstream, same direction is plus. S is equal to x plus y. According to the problem, distance also given. 40 kilometers upstream. Distance is d is equal to 40 kilometers. And downstream is 55 kilometer distance. Here distance d is equal to 55 kilometers. So d and s given. Then time value t3 is equal to. So this time is t3 and this time is t4. What is t3? Time taken to travel the boat. 40 kilometer distance with speed x minus y represent. Here t4 represented. Time taken to travel the boat. 55 kilometers distance with speed x plus y. Already we know that time t is equal to d by s. T3 is equal to d by s and T4 is equal to d by s. T3 that is equal to, what is d value? 40. Speed means x minus y. D by s means 40 by x minus y. Here T4 is equal to d by s, 55 by x plus y. But according to the problem, in second case, the total time is 13 hours. So this time plus this time is equal to T3 plus T4 is equal to 13 hours. T3 nothing but 40 by x minus y plus T4 means 55 by x plus y. That is equal to 13. So this that will be second equation. So this total question converted into two equations. Linear equations. These two are the equations. Again, these two equations converted into pair of linear equations. So here we got two equations, two pair of equations. Again, these two pair of equations converted into linear equations. Let us go to another page. So equation 1 and equation 2. This equation can be written as 30 into 1 by x minus y plus 44 into 1 by x plus y, that is equal to 10. So this one also 40 into 1 by x minus y plus 55 into 1 by x plus y, that is equal to 13. Once observe these two equations, observe these two terms. In these two terms, 1 by x minus y, 1 by x minus y is common. Let it be one variable. Let A. So in these two terms, 1 by x plus y, 1 by x plus y. Let it be represent another variable B. Put 1 by x minus y is equal to A. 1 by x plus y is equal to B. Then these two equations change in another two variables C and B. So new equations will be formed. Those are 30A plus 44B is equal to 10. 40A plus 55B is equal to 13. Another new two equations, that will be 3 and 4. Solve these two equations, we will get A comma B value. Later again A comma B converted into x comma y. Then we will get x comma y value, speed of the boat and speed of the stream. First of all, to solve this equation, here you have to apply algebraic method. Already we know that substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. I am applying here elimination method. In this case, you have to eliminate any one of the variables, either A or B. Now I am eliminating A. In this case, in this elimination method, you have to eliminate A means, first of all, equate the coefficients. Here A coefficients are not equal. So equate the coefficient. It means take the LCM of 30 and 40. LCM of 30 comma 40. That is 30, 40. Let us take two numbers, 30, 40. So these two numbers divisible by 10. So in 30, 10 3 times. In 40, 10 4 times. Then 10 into 3 into 4. 10 into 3 into 4. That is equal to 10 3 is 30. 30 into 4. 3 4 is 12. That means 120. So LCM is 120. That means 30 change into 120. 40 change into 120. 30 change into 120 means 30 should be multiplied with 4. 30 should be multiplied with 4. 40 should be multiplied with 3. It means equation, throughout the equation multiply with 4. Throughout this equation multiply with 3. Equation 3 into 4. Equation 4 into 3. The equation can be changed as 4 into 30, 128 plus 4 into 44, 4 4 is 16, 1, 4 4 is 4, 16 plus 1, 17, 176b, that is equal to 4 into 10, 40. Next equation is 4 into 3, 3 into 40, 128 plus 3 into 55, 3 5 is 15, 1 is there, 3 5 is 15 plus 1, 16b, that is equal to 3 into 13, 39. So, this is another equation, let it be 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Now, so these two terms are equal, same terms. If you are subtract 5 minus 6, 6 subtract from 5, then sign will be changed. Both are having opposite signs. Then you will get B value. Do 5 minus 6. 6 subtract from 5. 6 before minus is there. So in equation 6, every term sign will be changed. Plus sign changes minus. Plus sign changes minus. This plus sign changes minus. The two signs are there. This is the original sign. So let us consider this signs only. Bracket signs only have to consider. So plus 128 minus 128 cancel. So remaining D is there. 176 minus 165. 6 minus 5 1. 7 minus 6 1. 1 minus 1 0. That is equal to 40 minus 39. Therefore B is equal to 1 by 11. We got B value. So this B value substitute any one of the above 4 equations. This one and these two. Now I am taking simple equation. Third equation. That is 30A plus 44B is equal to 10 hours. So substitute B is equal to 1 by 11. Then you will get A value. 30A plus 44 into B, nothing but 1 by 11, that is equal to 10. In 44, 11 table 4 times. 30A plus 4 1 ja, 4 is equal to 10. 30A is equal to, this 4 transpose to right side. Minus will come. This is 10. 30A is equal to 10 minus 4, 6. A is equal to 6 by 30. In 30, 6 table 5 times. So A is equal to 1 by 5. Got A value. A is equal to 1 by 5. B is equal to 1 by 11. Okay. We got here A comma B value. But the given equation in the variables x comma y. Again A comma B change into x comma y. We will go to another page. So A is equal to 1 by 5, B is equal to 1 by 11. Already we know that A is equal to, already we know that A is equal to, already we know that A value, A is equal to Here A is equal to 1 by x minus y, B is equal to 1 by x plus y. So A is equal to 1 by x minus y, that is equal to 1 by 5. B is equal to 1 by x plus y, that is equal to 1 by 11. So let us say here 1 by x minus y is there. Let us take the reciprocal of 1 by x minus y, that is equal to x plus y. Reciprocal of 1 by y is equal to y. Similarly, reciprocal of 1 by x plus y is equal to x plus y. Reciprocal of 1 by 11 is equal to 11. So let us take these two equations. X minus y is equal to 5. X plus 5 is equal to 11. Solve these two equations. We will get x comma y value. So adding these two equations, you will get x comma y. So y and y, here minus 1 plus y having the opposite sign. So minus y and plus y cancel. Remaining x plus x is equal to 2x, that is equal to 5 plus 11, 16. Therefore x is equal to 16 by 2. 2 table in 16, 8 times. Therefore x is equal to 8. X means speed of the boat in still water. It is equal to 8 kilometers per hour. 8 kilometers per hour. So this x value substitute any one of the above equations. I am taking x minus y is equal to 5. Substitute x is equal to 8. Substitute x is equal to 8. So 8 minus y is equal to 5. This 5 transpose to left side minus 5. This minus goes to right side plus y. 8 minus 5 means 3, that is equal to y. Therefore y is equal to 3. Y means speed of the stream. Speed of the stream. Y is equal to 3 kilometers per hour. So x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 3 is the required solution for the pair of given equations. Speed of the boat in still water is 8 kilometers per hour. Speed of the stream is 3 kilometers per hour. So up here completed. Just recall the concept. Once again I will explain the question. So this is a given question. A two pair of equations given. First of all, this one change into linear equations. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this one let it be changed into another variables a comma b. Solve these two equations. Then you will get a comma b values. A comma b values. After that again a comma b change into original form. That means in x comma y. So this is the required for the given equation. We will see one more group, that is verbal sum. So this is a linear equation two variables. This one given in a verbal form. This one expressed in equations. First of all, here two terms are there, downstream and upstream. First we have to know about the downstream and upstream. Already know that downstream means speed of the boat direction along the stream. That is called as downstream. Speed of the boat against the stream, that is called as upstream. This is x plus y and this is x minus y. Next we will prepare one question, two equations in x comma y. Again, these two equations change into another variables a and b. Solve these two equations by elimination method. You will get a comma b values. Again, this a comma b change into original form. That means x and y. Change into x comma y. Solve these two equations. You will get x comma y. So, the question is given in verbal form. You can write in a simple manner. We can prepare directly the given equations. So here a boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream given. Upstream means, how do we know that? Upstream means x minus y. Downstream means x plus y. So total time is 10 hours in first case. So it can be written as distance by speed. 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y. 44 by x plus y is equal to 10 hours. You got one equation. Similarly, in second case also, in 13 hours, 40 kilometers upstream, 55 kilometers downstream. Upstream means x minus y. Downstream means x plus y. In second case, distance by speed. 40 by x minus y plus 55 by x plus y. 55 by x plus y. That is what total time is 30 hours. So this is equation number 2. We can express like this also. Thank you for the given opportunity.